Yeah, it's really faced.
Authentic factual response or mischievous challenge. Meebook M6
Reader for e-book from China. Its best one is for Android. Look, Android 11, a lot of RAM, and the most important, safe for eyes.
But how does one even achieve 3 gigabytes? Isn't it like 2, 4, 8?
It has SD support. Let's unbox it.
Sure. So this is the protective case, and this is the ebook itself.
Let's start with this way. And
Let him figure it out.
I see. This way.
Took you long enough.
Ta-dam! It's beautiful. Ta-dam!
Cool.
Kickstart guide, it's for you. Type-C cable.
Cool.
Type-C charge cable. It's a slot for TF, but you do not need to use this slot. And power off.
Duh.
I like it. Beautiful. Looks awesome. Need to put cards.
SD card.
There is charger. Let's see, is it charged or not? Yeah, it's charged. It turned on.
The translating is horrible from Chinese.
Starting up.
Listen, e-ink screen is easy to fragile. Please careful to avoid a fall. It's easy to fragile. That does not make any sense.
It's just fragile itself.
Please don't make the device be soaked in water.
Okay, we can choose English here. Next. Scan. It's try to connect our Wi-Fi, but I think we skip it. Without of that, if you skip internet connection, skip anyway. I don't wanna. And here we can choose for the screen.
I'll say a 3x4.
3x4.
Yes.
Okay. Next. Tag of gestures. Tag on timing gestures.
Look, if you do on this side up, it's refresh.
Refresh, back, enter. I think
Task manager.
Task manager this way. I think it will be like
You
refresh. Yeah.
You can't.
I can do it.
You just turn on the gesture. Do you want it or not?
I don't want it.
Okay, so.
Turn off. It's we can choose the lights.
I had that.
I had it too. Screen sleep 2 minutes, 1 hour. After shutdown 1 hour. Screen sleep 2 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. Wi-Fi delay never. Bluetooth delay 5 minutes. Okay. So, okay, complete. Okay, let's get some books to see what we have here. Wow. Tales of Wonder Every Child Should Know.
Hell no.
Project Gutenberg Tales of Wonder Every Child Should Know by Vegas. This book is for the use of anyone not concept. Okay. This three-headed monster belched. Wow. Why they do that with this animal? And now this animal is extinct. Do you know?
I don't think a three-headed monster ever just whatever.
Tales of Wonder. Story chat. No, actually, what do you think? Is it comfy for your eye?
Yeah. It doesn't show how much % you read.
Yeah. It shows.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly.
Literally what I said. Finally.
Beautiful.
It looks good. Take it out. Put it.
Put it in.
Crunch.
crunch. Yeah. It's a normal book now to read.
Yeah.
Let's go to this. Beggars who told her they would remain and eat at her table as long as they lived.
Cool. So we've been using this electronic book for over a month now, and our honest review is that the last one we had was slightly better than this one, which is the TouchLox Note 5. It had Linux operation system, but this one has Android. So here you can download apps from Apple's Google Play Store.
Yeah, we download eReader here and can read any book we wish. Also, we can connect it to internet. And for example, we download this book. It works like this. We can translate any word we wish. Yeah, translate something like this. And what good is it in it? We can hear anything. We can make all book like audiobook. We use this button and to hear in headphones with Bluetooth everything from this book. It works like audiobook, for example. It's actually good. You see, it's work like this. And actually it's good. We can read, we can adjust. I make the latex big one because for me it's easy to get in this way. But for example, we can move it like this, or we can move it like this, like actually in books pages.
I don't think that's how you do in real book, but sure.
Yeah. Also, this application named Git Era, and I think it's the best application now for books in Google Play Store. I download it. Also, we can download games, for example. I download chess.
1v1 1v1.
No, it works, any games work hit to and actually we can play. So,
it uses ELO level like real chess, like
yeah.
chess.com.
Actually, it's fine, and I like
You're
it.
getting cooked.
Maybe.
Look.
Ah! I lost my
You're horrible at this.
my horse.
You're horrible.
Okay. Yeah, actually. Also, we have a browser here. In this browser, we can get, for example, news and so on. It looks like this. No, it's not works actually. But you can get articles from the newspaper here. Battery do not last long on it, only 2-3 days. For example, but in a previous audiobook it lasts more than 2 weeks. Light, for example, this is day, night, bed, or off. Completely.
So night and bed are different. Interesting.
Night and bed, yeah, and day and off, and or we can customize it as we wish. For example, yeah, actually you can hear music, but it doesn't have speakers at all. But if you can use headphones, Bluetooth headphones for music.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Music is in Spotify or no?
You can download Spotify via Google Play.
I won't be doing that.
Yeah. And there is Apple Store too. App Store and
That's
Google
not
Play.
Apple Store,
Google
that's
Play.
just App Store.
App
It's
Store.
different thing.
Different thing.
Yes.
Okay, actually it's all you must know about this book, because it's just book. You can get books from it. It support any formats or for e-books.